5 sites to apply for virtual assistant jobs for beginners in 2019. What's up everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. 5 sites that you can go ahead and apply for virtual assistant jobs, and I'm actually going to share with you also a cool strategy on how you can find even more virtual assistant jobs there. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so we're going to have a look at 5 sites as I said earlier here, and also a strategy on how you can find virtual assistant jobs. So make sure you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with being a virtual assistant. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's go ahead and have a look at the sites that we can apply for virtual assistant jobs there. Let's get started. Alright, so the first site for today here that we can apply for as a virtual assistant is fancyhands.com. And you can clearly see here that is a team of US-based assistants. So if you are not located in the US, hang on there because we are going to share, of course, more sites there. So unfortunately, Fancy Hands is only available for US here. But let's have a quick look at the details. If you're in US, you are definitely interested in Fancy Hands. We want to go to the job section here, okay? And you can see here, we're currently hiring people to work as assistants for thousands of very discerning users of this site. If you have a fast internet connection and the ability to use common websites and software, this could be a lot of fun. We're looking for people, smart people who want to help others and help build a great company, and you're good on the phone. So basically, you just go for the apply section here, so you can have a look at the details, the requirement, what they are looking for. You can see here it can be anything from making phone calls, canceling the cable, scheduling appointments, tracking down the best price, finding hotels, or data entry. And they tell you actually what kind of people they are looking for here. Also the pay, you get paid per task here, so it is quite a bit different. Instead of be paid per hour, so you can see here that you can get paid actually anywhere from $3 up to $7 per task, which is not bad at all actually. So have a look at it, fancyhands.com, and just apply and fill in the details there to see if you qualify to get some jobs as a virtual assistant there. Alright, let's move on to site number 2, which is $99social.com. I went straight into the what we do section here. You can see here fresh content for your social media pages 7 days a week, 365. So this is for companies that want to have help with their social media there. And that is where you can come in, of course. So if you go to the section where it says content specialist position, you can see how it looks here. Work with a growing, fast-paced social media company as a social media content specialist. So they ask you here if you're passionate about writing, research, and social media, and so on. You can have a look at the questions for yourself here. No need for me to read through everything in detail here. So basically, just have a look at it, what you need and how to apply. Okay, so you submit your application there and fill in the details as detailed as possible, of course. Alright, let's move on to site number 3. Site number 3 is boldly.com, and it was well known until recently as worldwide101.com. They have changed the name, they have changed the logos and everything, so this is how it looks when you arrive to Boldly. I can clearly see here it looks pretty similar actually as it used to. So we can have a look at the virtual assistants here, and you can see that you can apply for anything from executive admin, marketing, social media, project management, customer service, design services, bookkeeping, writing and editing, and multilingual services. So definitely a lot of options to apply for here, definitely. So just go to boldly.com and have a look at the details for yourself here. Okay, hit the application, of course, fill in the details there, and you should hopefully get some virtual assistant jobs there. Let's move on to the next site, which is belaysolutions.com, which is also probably one of the most popular in the US. You can see here virtual assistant, bookkeepers, web specialists, everything you need to grow your business. So this is of course where business come, and they want to hire virtual assistant just like you. So if you go to the job section here, okay, this is how it looks there. And part-time and full-time virtual assistant jobs that lets you work from anywhere. And you can see here, you can have a look at the details again, once again here for yourself. But basically you just hit the apply now, and you can see here that currently they are searching for virtual assistants and virtual bookkeeper. So by just having a quick look at the virtual assistant, of course, which we are interested in, there is all the details here. If you're looking for, what are you looking for, the key attributes, the key qualifications, and note. So have a look at it for yourself at belaysolutions.com. All right, let's go to the final site, which is virtualassistantjobs.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site, and this is how I'm actually going to show you basically how you can find any kind of category and virtual assistant jobs, because you can type a keyword here or you can search by category. So look at the categories here, okay, bloggers, computer, data entry, graphic design, internet web. So if I just go to the graphic design here, you can see from anywhere, video gaming, tech and support. Let's do something else here. Let's do data entry and word processing. So you can see here 267 matching records. Okay, you can actually go for location if you want it anywhere, if you want it full-time. So this is definitely a good site to pay attention to, virtualassistantjobs.com. You can see here $15 hourly customer service specialist. So definitely worth to have a look at. Tons of jobs that you can apply for this site here, virtualassistantjobs.com. There you have it, 5 sites to apply for virtual assistant jobs as a beginner in 2019. Definitely a good way to make some extra money, but if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Alright, if you like this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.